Our topic for today, the value of a sacrificial heart. We read from Mark 12, verse 42 to 43. But a poor widow came and put in 2 very small copper coins, worth only a few cents. Calling his disciples to him, Jesus said, Truly I tell you, this poor widow has put in more into the treasury than all the others. In the temple courts, many rich people were given large amounts to the treasury. Their offerings were impressive, visibly generous. But amidst the noise and spectacle, Jesus noticed something easy to overlook. A poor widow dropping in 2 tiny copper coins. By the world's standards, the gift was insignificant. But Jesus saw something different. He turned to his disciples and said, She has given more than all the others. Why? Because her gift came from a place of deep sacrifice. While others gave out of their surplus, she gave all she had to live on. This story flips the script on how we often evaluate generosity. It's not about how much you give. It's about what it costs you to give. God doesn't measure our offerings by size, but by heart and sacrifice. The widow's 2 coins became a powerful symbol of faith. Her gift wasn't about impressing others. It was an act of quiet trust in God. She believed that the God she gave to would sustain her. And that's a kind of giving that touches heaven. This story invites us to reflect. Do we give only when it's convenient or easy? Or are we willing to give from a place of sacrifice and trust? Whether it's our time, our money, our attention, or our love, God honors a gift that comes from the heart. No act of faith is too small when it is surrendered to Him. Today, let's not underestimate the power of a small offering when it's given with great love and trust. Lord, give us hearts like the widow, humble, trusting, and willing to give even when it costs us. Help us to remember that you see beyond appearances and that you delight in the sacrifice of faith. Teach us to trust you with all that we are and all that we have. Amen.